Colorful babes, welcome back to the channel, and hello if you are new. Welcome. I'm Jazzy, your cosplay and nerdy bestie, and today we are talking about art apps that help me survive this cosplay world and help me just survive being a social media influencer. These are some apps that I feel like everyone should be using in order to grow, in order to get paid, in order to make money, and we all want to make money. Before we get started, make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe button because we are on the road to what? 1K, and we gonna get there today, boo. I cannot. The first app on my list is going to be Snapchat Spotlight. And before you guys come for me in the comment section, I'm not saying any of this on Snapchat. All I'm saying is that, also no shade, no shade. All I'm saying is that Snapchat Spotlight is a great way to make some extra cash and moolah. Snapchat Spotlight is a platform that is kind of the same as TikTok, but honestly in some ways a little bit better because they've got their filter game down over there. They have been using this app in order to help pay creators to create on their app. So if you have a video and it goes viral, you have the ability to make some money on this app. People have been getting paid thousands of dollars for just posting a 15-second video. So take those videos that you've already making on other platforms and post them on Snapchat. I've been using this platform for a couple months now and I absolutely love it. Next, if you're a cosplayer and you aren't using some sort of scheduling app like Later, Planoly, or Preview, what are you doing? These apps are going to help you schedule out your social media, so it's a no-brainer for you. Auto posting your stuff so that you don't have to think about it, and then you can just focus on making content, because making our content takes a lot of work and sometimes it's stressful. So why stress out about social media? You can spend one day, maybe spend a couple hours writing your captions, editing your photos, and planning out your entire month, and then you don't have to worry about posting for an entire month. You are behind in the game if you are not using these apps to schedule out your social media, because you are missing out opportunities. You can even schedule out your stories so that you aren't pressed for, oh, I really don't feel like filming a story today. What do I do? What do I do? So then you can focus on the more fun stuff like going live or, actually creating the cosplays. So definitely make sure that you get yourself a scheduling app. Like I said, these are my favorites to use for my cosplay Instagram scheduling. So yeah, and if you guys have any other scheduling apps that you like, let me know down below. I'll try those out as well. Finally, picture editing. If you are not using Lightroom or Facetune to edit your pictures, I know Facetune's a little archaic, but the reason I say Facetune is because it's easier to touch up face paint spots in Facetune than it has been for me in Lightroom or Photoshop. It's just really simple in Facetune for me, so that's the platform I prefer to use. But Photoshop works as well. Some people prefer that as well. But Lightroom is amazing for getting your pictures edited to the way you want them to look, so they look amazing and you post them on Instagram like so. Please, please, please edit your photos to look like you want them to look and fit your aesthetic. And also you might realize that it's actually kind of fun editing your photos. You can add certain things in, add graphics and all types of features to kind of like the Starfire one where I added in her green fireballs. So it's to each its own, but I am 100% for using Facetune as an editing app, PicArt as an editing app, Lightroom as editing app. I don't care what editing app you use, get it on your phone because they're super helpful. Well, that's it for the editing apps. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Those are some of my favorites. If you have some more favorites, please let me know down below. If you made it to the end of this video, make sure you put a strawberry emoji in the comment section so that I know that you were able to watch this all the way through and so I can stop by and say hi. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!